So now let's work around with schedule section inside of Wix ADI. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click on this plus icon. Then on the left side, I'm going to choose schedule right over here. And there's different schedule list, as you can see right over here. So you can simply click on one of them just like that, and the schedule section will load up just like that. So you have the header title right over here, and then you got something like a header subtitle right over here. So you can see that there's January 24, 2024. So let's say I want to change it to 2025. Simply type in right over here just like that, and that is the schedule right over here. So you can add in different times, and to add in items, simply click on add item, and you have the other item added in. You can go to individual section right over here and work around with individual item names right over here as well, and change the timing right over here just like that. So this is just like a list section that you can work with. There's different design options for the schedule item as well. So you got something like this right over here. This is something I like, as you can see. So this is more like the schedule item is here, the time is here, and so forth as well. And of course, you can design out the layout and the colors and everything else right over here, just like that, as you can see. And that is how you work around with the schedule section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.